What's this about the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Galaxy Z Flip 5? These devices aren't expected for at least a year. It's the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 that are due to be launched soon, not these. Report out of South Korea claims that Samsung isn't feeling too confident about the sales prospects of its 2023 foldable lineup. The Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 Korean sites, the ELEC, has first details of the handsets. And while not exactly surprising, the details do show continued year-on-year improvements. And as you might expect, the handsets are set to feature Qualcomm next big chip, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The report also mentions specs details for the cameras. The Fold 5 will reportedly pack Samsung ISO's GN3 50-megapixel wide camera. The GN3 sensor features 1.0 micrometers sensor, meanwhile the selfie camera will feature a 12-megapixel sensor. And these should be both upgrades over the Fold 4 cameras. But this year's model will also have a 50-megapixel primary camera. Samsung decided the weak performance of the under-screen camera on the Z Fold 3 was worth replicating in a future model. And these are actually minor details in the wider report, which is more about Samsung's sales expectations for its future foldables. At a glance, the sales figures look bullish, with Samsung predicting to ship 10 million Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 units. In 2023, the company expects 2 million units shipped for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and 8 million for the Galaxy Z Flip 5. Samsung continued to use Snapdragon chips only for its foldable, and this trend are expected to continue next year. Samsung is likely being conservative with its production plan, so that it doesn't end up with a lot of unsold inventory. Recent report highlighted that Samsung is stuck with 50 million unsold phones. It has already cut production of existing models by 30 million units to deal with the situation. You may see a little change in Z Fold 5 design, where we only see a slightly smaller and wider display, just because of new hinge design we see on Z Fold 5. Quite small compared to Z Fold 3, and that thing also reduced the crease visibility. But not to an extent where we don't see it. The only thing that stands out for Z Fold 3 is its new cameras. It comes with 7.9-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED 2X display and 6.2-inch cover display. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 came with the 5000 mAh battery, and even this time Samsung also updated the charging speed at 45 watt, which will charge your Z Fold 5 within 45 minutes. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.